guys, look it! We're doing it! What would compel someone to leave behind their life and walk hundreds of miles across Spain? Oh, look at the moon! The moon! At first you think you're coming for a reason. To find clarity, to heal a broken heart, to let go of grief that's been quietly shaping your life. Finally a good meal?
Yeah.
You think you're walking towards something, or away from something. Maybe both. Because the Camino ain't enough. But what you discover out here is that it's not really about where you're going. It's about what you're willing to leave behind. All the things you've carried for so long. The expectations, the regrets, the stories you've told yourself about who you are and what you're capable of. Out here, step by step, you start to loosen your grip. You lay them down, and without realizing it, you begin to travel lighter. Mama! Steffi with the crazy hair. Steph, favorite part of your Camino so far? I can't hear you. It's the best part. I think you might have some more Camino lessons to learn.
The shower when you arrive. 30-minute hot shower.
Taking off my shoes.
We're learning good lessons here, guys.
Not yet.
It's not the quietness in the morning and the beautiful view.
No, the quiet, the silence. I have loved walking in silence.
Has there been much silence since we arrived?
Yeah, all that is lost now.
It still feels to me like a whole lot. I haven't felt the slowness yet.
Yeah. Facts. No pressure. You notice things you'd forgotten to look for. The feeling of the sun on your face in the early morning. The rhythm of your breath when it finally slows. The simple kindness of a stranger sharing something with you.
Liquid.
This damn downhill. Well, let's see. I think we're trying to go
Bothering my neck.
there today. And you remember, this is what matters. Not the destination, not the story you thought you were here to write, but this moment, this day, this step. You came here thinking you needed answers. What you find is something quieter, a kind of knowing you didn't expect. Mama, smile, you're on candid camera. A deep trust that you can keep going, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. Hi, hello everybody! Bye, Camino! Steffi!
Their beer has ice chunks in it. It's like Brazil beer.
Steph and Mama!
That's it, Stacia.
And maybe that's why we walk. Not to find something new, but to remember what's been there all along, waiting for us to slow down and come home to ourselves.